Welcome to the WebaiE channel. Let's talk about something every business owner feels but doesn't always say out loud. We're doing too much with too little time. So today, we're answering a big question in a simple way. How can AI help your business right now, even if you're not a tech expert? If your team is stretched thin or short on time, struggling to keep up with leads, customer inquiries, and marketing campaigns, this is for you. Let's introduce someone who can help.
Hi, I'm Bee, your custom web AI engine, designed to help you be more productive and do less. You don't need to hire a full team. You don't need to know how to code. I'm built to run alongside you and lift the weight off your day-to-day. I manage your marketing campaigns. Give me your message, and I'll spread the word to the right people, instantly and consistently. I generate and qualify leads. I ask the right questions, engage your prospects, and hand over the warm ones so you can close faster. I improve your customer experience. From answering FAQs to booking meetings, I'm online 24/7 to give your customers what they need, when they need it.
We built WebaiE for small business owners and founders like you, people wearing too many hats, trying to scale without losing control. What makes Bee different? She learns your brand voice and adapts to your business goals. So every message she sends sounds like you and feels personal. You're still the decision maker. Bee just takes care of the repetitive stuff so you can focus on the big picture. Bee doesn't just automate tasks, she connects the dots. She reads your data, understands your audience, and evolves with every interaction.
Think of me as your extra set of wings. I handle the hustle so you don't have to, and I'm ready to start today.
The real value? Time. More time for strategy, more time for growth, and more time for what matters most, like your family, your team, or just a moment to breathe.
So, are you ready to free up your time and accelerate your growth? Meet Bee, your custom web AI engine, and discover how it can transform the way you do business. Your business deserves a smarter way to grow, starting today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more ways to make AI work for your business.
Visit the plans page on WebaiE.com to start your 30-day free trial today.